Hello, hello, today's the day. It's the first day of the One Funnel Away challenge, and you know what that means. We get to unbox the One Funnel Away box. So, let's just get around the camera here, and let's tear it open. With just a slice like that. Now we got to open up the box and see what's inside. Just a little flip down here, and I think now we turn it the other way and we lift it up, and here we have it in all its beauty. Your training officially begins now. To each, there comes in their lifetime a special moment when they are figuratively tapped on the shoulder and offered a chance to do a very special thing, unique to them and fitted to their talents. What a tragedy if that moment finds them unprepared or unqualified for that which could have been their finest hour. And that is a quote from Sir Winston Churchill. So, what do we have in here? Let's start with this thing. What is this? Out it comes. What is it? What is it? One Funnel Away challenge. Off comes the box. Off comes the box. It's out of focus. Hold on. Let me focus this. There we go. Focus. There we go. Now we see it. All right. Off comes the box. And inside is the MP3 player. Whoops. The MP3 player with all the video recordings, the audio recordings on it. Lovely little tool. Nice headphone jack. Just a simple little video player. Alright, let's see what else we got in here. Let's focus again. Okay, it's focused. We have, of course, a nice cover for the One Funnel Away challenge. And then we have, let's take this off. Oh! The 30 Days book. Dee-da-da-dum. It's a nice thick little book. What else we got? And we have the One Funnel Away invitation to make affiliate offers, to earn affiliate money from it. And of course, we have the workbook, the challenge workbook. All right, that's all. Thanks for watching.